morning everyone. It's morning 6:30. We planned to start around 4 a.m. in the morning, but since we didn't have enough sleep, we decided to stay back at home, have a proper sleep, and then start to Hampi. And so we are about to hit the road.
We are about to reach Hampi and it's just 20 kilometers away, and we found this bridge called Bukhasagar bridge, which is quite close to nature. We got some amazing shots, also very good for sunrise and sunsets and fishing. So Tungabhadra river is flowing under this bridge.
Finally we have reached Hampi. So I think we have reached by sunset time, and we are planning to find a nice sunset point. We have a couple of them over here, but we need to identify which one is closer because the sun is almost down.
By the way, Hampi is situated in Hospet Taluk in Ballari district of Karnataka state. One has to proceed to Hampi from Hospet, which is well connected by all the road transport corporations, Karnataka, AP and Telangana road transport corporations. It also has Western Railway train services. Hampi is 12 kilometers away from Hospet. Those who wish to see Hampi by walk can get down to Kamlapur village, where the places of interest in Hampi are located far away from each other and they are scattered in different directions. It is always ideal to employ a guide so that one does not miss out the several places of interest. You know something? Hampi has almost 40 places to visit all around, in which we have selected 5 to 6 most explored places and most famous places to show you guys. This one right here, Virupakshi temple tower, is the main endurance of Virupakshi temple, which is 165 feet tall and 150 feet wide and 120 feet long and is of 11 stories. It is a popular by name Bistapa Gopura. It is also known who built it and been repaired many times over the years. Repair works of the temple were also taken up during Krishnadevaraya's period. Few of the sunset points in Hampi are Virupaksha temple, Mathunga hill and Tungabhadra river viewpoints. We need to trek a bit for the other two, but for now we have arrived on time at Virupaksha temple, but security didn't allow us to mount a tripod for time lapse. They say we need to take a prior approval. By the way, science says many things. One example is human evolved from monkey. Not sure how far it is true, but these days animals are learning. When this monkey looks at the lens, then immediately it poses just like humans.
Incidentally, we have found this amazing place which is called Hakunamatata in almost like 20 kilometers away from the central Hampi. I know you people will love it. We have cottages, tents, and if you're coming along with a gang, this entire tent is yours. So we already have some people here, and unfortunately everyone are from Hyderabad itself. It's really pet friendly too. It's not like that I am promoting this place, but this place is really awesome for a family or for a bachelors. If you are coming with kids, they'll love it. There are a lot of animals here, rabbits, parrots, dogs, so all kinds of animals. This is a pet friendly place, and people who are expecting bar kind of a thing here, so these guys do have that too. I'll show you a tent tour and also the room tour if possibly. So we are plan to stay in a tent for today. So that's how it goes for now. And we have a campfire too. So I'll get back to you. Time is around 2 a.m. in the morning, and the climate is so awesome. We tried astrophotography in this A7 III camera, and you don't believe this camera can take a night shot and convert into a complete daylight. That we identified today. I know most of you all might already know it, but we got to know it today. Anyways, so we are in tent right now, and guys, if you're coming to Hampi, you got to stay in this place. This is so awesome. It's so pleasant. You can see all the stars from the sky, and we were sitting around the campfire for almost 2 hours now, and I don't even want to sleep, but I don't want to spoil tomorrow's plans. We have a small itinerary in place. Not sure how well it get executed, but yeah, so I don't want to ruin it, and we are forcing ourselves, pushing ourselves into the tent and onto the bed and trying to sleep. Good morning everyone, day 2 in Hampi, and the time is 6 a.m. That's too early for us. I mean, usually in home also we wake up around 5:30 to 6, but since we slept very late last night, it's too early for us. So the plan is to go and explore the places around Hippie Island, and there's a lake, and also there's this small temple over a huge hill. It's around 550 steps, so we need to take that steps and go on the top, and we can find the entire Hampi from there. So the locals have suggested that place, so we're first planning to go to that place, and then go to Hippie Island, and then to the lake. So that's what the plan is. Since 4:30 I didn't have a proper sleep. Usually in the villages roosters wake you up, so these idiotic roosters I shouldn't say that, because I'm saying idiotic because they didn't allow me to sleep. So we have those roosters there, right on the top of the hut. These roosters, since 4:30 a.m. in the morning, they have been irritating me like anything. So we have a small lobby here, and also the common room for everyone. We have music there. Last night till 2 to 3 the music was running, and people didn't sleep. So I will show you the tent where we have stayed. So this is the one. This is a 4-member tent, and we also have another 4-member tent over here with a few small tents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're like almost 5 to 6 tents in this property.
That's it for today. I will see you in my next episode of our Hampi trip. If you do like the content of our video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell notification to receive all the updates immediately we upload the video. See you in another vlog. Until then, stay healthy and stay safe. Peace.